Hello, good morning, all of you. This is Manish Bharadwaj from Rawal Convent School. In last class, we discussed in electricity up to potential difference. So next topic is circuit diagram. Obviously, it is very important topic. So let's start. Cell. This is the diagram of cell. It have two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. The large vertical line will represent the positive terminal and small vertical line will represent the negative terminal. This is battery. Battery means what? Battery is, you can say, a combination of cell, or when a number of cells are combined together in series, then they form a battery. This is what? This is key, or you can say switch. It is now open. When it is open, electric current can't be passed. When it is closed, electric current can be able to pass through the circuit. This is closed key. This is joint wires. Joint wire is represented by this diagram. Okay? This is wires with no join. So if we want to show two wires without joining, so this is the method to represent. Okay? Now this is bulb, electric bulb. This is a resistor of resistance R. Every device is a resistor and have capacity to resist electric current. So that is a resistor. So every resistor has different resistance. So this is the representation of a resistor with resistance R. This is variable resistance, or you can say rheostat. This is used for change the resistance through which electric current can be controlled. Okay, so you can say rheostat or variable resistance are those devices through which resistance can be changed and due to which electric current can also be changed, because electric current is inversely proportional to the resistance. Okay, now name of this diagram. This is what? Obviously, this is a resistor of resistance R. Now, some questions. Name of this diagram. This is what? Joint wires, wires with no joint, bulb, variable resistance, or rheostat. Obviously, this is bulb. This is what? Name of this diagram. Cell, battery, bulb, joint wires. Obviously, this is a combination of cells. So, combination of cells is called what? Battery. Next, name of this diagram, already I discussed. Wires with no join, bulb, variable resistance or rheostat, or a resistor of resistance R. Yes, option D. This is what? Name of this diagram. This is joint wire, this is wires with no join, bulb, variable resistance or rheostat. This is wires with no join. Name of this diagram. Cell, battery, bulb, joint wire. Obviously cell. So all answers are right. Now very important topic, Ohm's law. So please carefully read it. Ohm's law. Ohm's law is what? This law states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end, provided the temperature and other physical conditions remain unchanged. In other words, I can say, if physical conditions of temperature and pressure remains constant, means if temperature does not change, then potential difference is directly proportional to the electric current flowing in the circuit. So you can choose anyone. Now, resistance. Resistance is what? Resistance basically is just opposite to electric current. Resistance and electric current both are inversely proportional to each other. So resistance is what? Resistance of the conductor is its property by virtue of which it opposes, or you can say resist. Resist means oppose the flow of current through it. It is equal to the ratio of potential difference across the conductor to the current flowing through it. The formula is R equal to V upon I. SI unit of resistance is ohm. Okay, so basically, according to definition, V directly proportional to I. Removing directly proportional sign, we use R. R is what? R is constant term. So R is also known as resistance. So now V is equal to Ri. R is what? R is resistance. So R equal to V upon I. So SI unit of resistance is what? Ohm. Formula R equal to V upon I. Please remind it. Okay. Ohm's law. Already Ohm's law I begin. So suppose it may be asked what is Ohm's law and what is its SI unit, or sometime it may be asked state SI unit of resistance. So it means you must have to tell what is SI unit and define it. So SI unit of resistance is ohm. So basically now we want to define 1 ohm. So 1 ohm is what? 1 ohm equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Okay, so according to that we can define the resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm if a current of 1 ampere flows through it on applying potential difference of 1 volt across its end. Means when potential difference is 1 volt, electric current is 1 ampere, then resistance is to be called 1 ohm. Okay, I think it's clear. Now resistor. Resistor is what? Means conductor. A conductor which has some appreciable is called a resistor. Means resistor also have some specific resistance value, that is called resistor. So resistor means conductor, means all devices like bulb, fan, okay, TV, all are called resistor. Now some factors on which resistance depends. Okay, so some factors are there like length, area of cross section, nature of material, as well as temperature. Listen carefully. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of conductor. If length increase, resistance increase, and vice versa. Second thing, area of cross section. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Means if area increase, resistance decrease, and vice versa. Third thing is nature of material. So different kind of material have different resistance. For example, iron have different resistance. You can say copper have different resistance, aluminum have different resistance. Okay, and the most important thing, temperature, because Ohm's law is based on that. So resistance is directly proportional to the temperature. If temperature increase, obviously resistance increase. Okay. Now a very new thing, resistivity. So basically how can we derive it? Resistance directly proportional to length, resistance inversely proportional to area. So after combining both, we got R proportional to L upon A. So after removing proportional sign, we got a special symbol that is called rho, and that rho is called resistivity. That proportionally constant sign is called resistivity, that is represented by rho, a symbol. So basically what we got, R equal to rho L upon A, and after removing it, we got rho equal to RA upon L. So both formula are very important regarding numericals. Okay, so resistivity, how can we define it? It is defined as the resistance offered by a cube of material of side 1 meter when current flows perpendicular to its opposite phases. Its SI unit is ohm meter. Okay, one more definition we can also write here. What if length of the wire is taken as 1 meter and area of cross section is taken as 1 meter square, then resistance is numerically equal to the resistivity. Okay, I think it is more easy for you. So some questions. SI unit of resistance is what? Ampere, ohm, coulomb, volt. Yes, it is ohm. Next, the resistance R of a conductor is depends on the area of cross section, length, nature of material, all of the above. Obviously, all factors are included. Okay, so Ohm's law I think clear. So in next class we will discuss about parallel and series combination. Okay, so thank you. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.